Your engine is a masterpiece of moving parts working in harmony, but there's one thin component holding everything together that most drivers never think about: the head gasket. When it fails, the consequences can be catastrophic, resulting in costly repairs or even complete engine failure. What makes this failure so dangerous is how quietly it begins, showing up in small, often overlooked signs. In this video, we're going to uncover the clear telltale signs of a failing head gasket, so you'll know what's happening under the hood before it leads to total engine failure. What is a head gasket? The head gasket is a sealing component positioned between the engine block and the cylinder head, ensuring that combustion gases, engine oil, and coolant remain separated and flow in their proper channels. Without it, these systems would mix together and the engine would be unable to function correctly. When the head gasket fails, that separation breaks down. Combustion gases can escape, coolant can leak into oil, or oil can seep into the combustion chambers. This sets off a chain reaction of issues that simultaneously affect performance, cooling, and lubrication. Symptom 1. Coolant loss with no visible leaks. This symptom is a misery for many car owners. You keep topping up the coolant in your radiator or reservoir, yet you can't find a single drip or puddle in your driveway. A healthy cooling system is sealed, but a blown head gasket can create a pathway for coolant to escape into the atmosphere. With a blown head gasket, a tiny break forms that lets high-pressure combustion gases escape into the cooling channels. When this happens, the gases heat the coolant to the point of boiling, turning it into steam. That steam then gets forced out through the overflow reservoir or even past the radiator cap, making the coolant seem like it's vanishing into thin air. But it doesn't stop there. Sometimes the missing coolant doesn't just boil away. Instead, it seeps into areas it was never meant to reach, setting the stage for another troubling sign of gasket failure. Symptom 2. Milky oil. Oil is supposed to stay slick and clean, amber when fresh and darker as it ages. But when coolant leaks through the head gasket and mixes with oil, it transforms into a frothy, milkshake-like liquid. This can be spotted on your dipstick or inside the oil filler cap. It's one of the clearest warning signs that fluids are mixing where they shouldn't. Milky oil isn't just unsightly, it's dangerous. Oil that's diluted with coolant loses its ability to protect moving engine parts from friction and heat. This leads to faster wear, overheating, and potential engine seizure. And once your oil can't do its job, the engine quickly begins to run hotter than it should, leading straight into another red flag. Symptom 3. Overheating. The head gasket plays a vital role in keeping the cooling system stable, but when it fails, the balance is destroyed. Hot combustion gases that should stay sealed in the cylinders escape into the cooling system, creating pressure where it doesn't belong. This pressure pushes coolant out and leaves behind air pockets, weakening the system's ability to keep the engine cool. At the same time, those same gases can heat the coolant directly, raising temperatures faster than the radiator can control. With heat building quicker than it can be released, the cooling system becomes overwhelmed. Even a short drive can push the temperature gauge higher than normal, leaving the engine constantly on the edge of overheating. To make matters worse, if coolant and oil begin to mix, the coolant loses its ability to transfer heat effectively. Without proper cooling or lubrication, the engine runs dangerously hot, and repeated overheating can warp metal parts and cause catastrophic damage. This is why overheating is one of the clearest and most urgent signs of a blown head gasket. Symptom 4. Bubbling in the radiator and coolant reservoir. If you open the radiator cap or look inside the reservoir and see bubbles forming, it's usually combustion gases escaping through a cracked head gasket. This bubbling effect looks like boiling, but it's actually exhaust gases forcing their way into the cooling system. The result is air pockets that disrupt coolant flow and make overheating worse. This is a clear sign that pressure is leaking from the combustion chamber where it belongs and entering the cooling system instead. And when coolant continues to burn away in this way, it shows up even more dramatically outside the engine, in the exhaust pipe. Symptom 5. White smoke from the exhaust. A little steam on a cold morning is perfectly normal, but a thick cloud of sweet-smelling white smoke that keeps coming from your exhaust is a classic warning of a blown head gasket. This isn't just regular exhaust, it's coolant being burned inside the engine. When the gasket fails, it can open a path for coolant to leak into one or more of the cylinders. Once the coolant gets inside, it mixes with the air and fuel, then turns into vapor during combustion. That vapor leaves the engine through the exhaust system, showing up as a heavy white cloud. Unlike black smoke from excess fuel or blue smoke from burning oil, this white smoke comes directly from coolant contamination. And while it's easy to spot, it isn't the only sign that the combustion process is being disturbed. If you're still watching by now, chances are you take your car's health seriously. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss practical tips that can save you from costly repairs. Trust me, your engine will thank you later. Symptom 6. Rough idling. When a head gasket fails, the engine's ability to run smoothly is compromised, leading to a noticeable rough idle. This is a direct result of the seal between the combustion chamber and the outside world being compromised. A head gasket's primary job is to contain the explosive pressure of combustion. When it fails, combustion gases can leak out of the cylinder, leading to a loss of compression. With one or more cylinders unable to produce their full power, the engine's computer, trying to compensate for the lost rhythm, will struggle to maintain a steady speed. This imbalance creates a tangible vibration that you can feel in the steering wheel and the rest of the car, and it often comes with an audible sign of trouble. Symptom 7. Engine knocking. A persistent knocking or tapping sound coming from your engine can be a direct result of a blown head gasket. Here's how it happens. When coolant leaks into the combustion chamber, it contaminates the air-fuel mixture. The coolant doesn't burn, but its presence can cause the fuel to ignite prematurely or unevenly. This creates a powerful, uncontrolled explosion in the cylinder that can literally push the piston down at the wrong time, causing a metallic knocking sound. This is an extremely destructive process for the engine's internal components and is a clear indicator that the engine's compression is no longer being contained. Symptom 8. Low compression. A compression test is the most definitive way to confirm a head gasket failure. It measures the pressure inside each cylinder when the engine is turned over. A healthy engine will have consistent, high compression readings across all cylinders. A blown head gasket, however, will be immediately apparent in the results. If the gasket is leaking combustion gases, the cylinder won't be able to hold the pressure it's supposed to, leading to a significantly lower reading on the gauge. This is a direct result of the seal failing and is a clear indicator that the engine's internal pressure is escaping. This loss of pressure isn't just about a bad number on a gauge. It also leads to a tangible performance issue. Symptom 9. Engine misfire. Another symptom of a bad head gasket is engine misfire. Similar to low compression, a failing head gasket allows combustion gases to leak out of the cylinder, preventing the spark plug from igniting the air-fuel mixture properly, causing misfire. Additionally, if coolant is leaking into the cylinder, it can foul the spark plug, preventing a proper spark from occurring, causing one or more of the cylinders to fail to fire as they should. This can be felt as a jerky or rough operation, especially at idle, and can trigger a check engine light on your dashboard. This misfiring is a clear sign of what happens when fluids and gases get into the wrong places. Symptom 10. Coolant and oil mixing. The most severe symptom of a blown head gasket is when coolant and oil freely mix together. At this point, both systems are contaminated, meaning your engine has no proper lubrication and no proper cooling. You may see sludge in the oil pan, foamy residue in the coolant reservoir, or even rising coolant levels tainted with oil. Once this happens, the damage escalates quickly. Bearings wear out, heat soars, and the engine risks total failure. Without immediate repair, the only option may be a full engine replacement, one of the most expensive fixes a car owner can face. Can you drive with a blown head gasket? If you've got a blown head gasket, don't risk driving it any farther than straight to a mechanic. The leak will only get worse, and pushing the car could leave you stranded or cause severe engine damage. Get it checked and repaired immediately. How much does it cost to replace? Blown head gasket? A head gasket itself usually costs $100 to $300. But labor is the expensive part, typically $900 to $2,200, since the engine must be taken apart and reassembled. Overall, replacement often totals $1,000 to $2,500. So there you have it, the clear warning signs of a blown head gasket, from disappearing coolant to milky oil and thick white smoke. Ignoring them could mean total engine failure, but catching them early can save you thousands. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more car care tips, share your experiences in the comments, and don't miss our next video on the symptoms of a bad torque converter that could bring your ride to a sudden